Oh, handles like a dream, baby. Woo! Let's go. Get my adrenaline pumping up. Woo! Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, it's beautiful out. Oh, he got the camera. I don't know what it is. It's probably 60 degrees, but it's super windy out, so it feels actually a lot colder than what it is. But I'm comfortable riding in a hoodie today, so I'm super excited about warm weather. I was in Florida about 2 weeks ago, and it was absolutely beautiful. So we may or may not have some videos coming up in Florida sooner than later, so I'm excited about that. And yeah, so today's video, we're just gonna cruise around, check out some stuff. This is my second ride on the new Husqvarna 450, and I'm absolutely in love with this bike. The seat is so comfortable, and it just handles really well. The brakes are Brembo. It's ridiculous. So hope you guys enjoy. Consider subscribing, and yeah, let's see what we can come up with today. I think my front rotor is definitely warped. I can feel it. Interesting. This seat on this bike is way more comfortable than my CRF 450. This thing just like a banana seat. You just, it's perfect. I didn't realize there's parents over there about to bust out a wheelie. Today, all the motorcyclists. Ooh, look at this. Wow, look at this. I like this. Fucking gear am I in? Nice. Oh, a little off-road action. Look at the car wash just popping off. Look at this. Everyone washing their shit. What's up, dude? What's up, bro? Need these open over here? You going in there? Alright, cool. Look at that little doggy. Oh, thank you, thank you. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, we're here. Dude, I think I seriously need tire. Look how dirty. Oh my god, look how dirty this thing is. Oh my god. Oh, we're about to shine her up. So excited to be back making videos. My back hurts, I'm getting old. We gotta make them while we can, you know? Alright, let's get the foam action. What fuck kind of piece of shit is this thing? Look at this. It's not kinked. Hold on, let's see if I can do this. There, all better. We're good. This hunk of junk. Oh. There you go. Oh, she's stressed now. Maybe it's because you're on your phone. And I stalled it. Oh, handles like a dream, baby. Let's go. Get my adrenaline pumping up. Woo! Not bad, not bad. Very nice. Alright, you guys, it's pretty windy out. I'm gonna call it a day, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. I have tons of videos coming, lots and lots of riding this year. So if you guys haven't already done it, make sure you ring the little bell below this video, and then every single time I upload or post you know, like a picture or anything like that, you guys will all see the notification. You'll be able to watch the video. So yeah, I love you guys, and yeah, that's it for today, I guess. I don't know what else to say. I'm out of things to say. That's it. That's the end. Get out of here. Completely just, yeah. Alright, you guys. See you all later. Peace.